Question is today, why, when you multiply a decimal by a decimal, are your numbers getting smaller? Now, if you remember your two facts and think about what we talked about yesterday, our 0 and our 1 facts, and remember is that whenever you're starting with something that's a decimal, you're taking a part of a part. So you're going to end up with stuff that's real small. You say, well, why are the zeros facts important? Well, think 0.5 times 0 is 0, because anything times 0 is 0. And 0.5 times 1 is itself. So that means our answer, right in this box, is going to have to fall somewhere between a size of 0 and 0.5. So it's going to be less than 0.5 but bigger than 0. Now, if you were to create a drawing of it, think about really 0.5 is like saying half. So you're taking a half of a half. So imagine that you have a pie or a pan of brownies, it doesn't matter, and it's cut in half, and half of it is yours. I could have shaded it a little bit darker, but half of it is yours. And then your buddy comes up and they say, hey, can I have some? They said, yeah, you can have half of my half. So that means your buddy's going to take this half of the pan of brownies. Now, this part had nothing in it, but this part had something in it. So you got to figure if you're taking a half of a half, that means you're left with 1/4. Say, well, that's not going to do me any good because I'm talking about fractions, and I'm supposed to be talking about decimals. Yeah, but how many quarters does it take to make a full dollar? Well, it takes 4 of them. And what is 1/4 worth? Well, 1/4 is worth 25 cents. And if I was to actually do the multiplication, if I was to do 0.5 times 0.5, like we talked about yesterday, you jump your decimal. 5 times 5 is 25, and then you jump your decimal back. So our whole question is, why are my answers getting smaller? It's because you are taking a part of a part.